Hey guys, and welcome to a mystery unboxing. How are you doing? I hope your weekend's been going good, guys. I'm miffed. I got back from work yesterday and this arrived. I haven't ordered it. It's got my name on it, it's my address and everything. But I've only got two things coming. One's from Canada and one's from America. That's all I've got left coming. And this is from London. I haven't ordered anything from London. So this is a mystery. One of you guys must have sent this. How you've got my address, I don't know. And I don't know what it is. I have not got a clue. I am really puzzled. I haven't even got any family in London or anything. And I'm assuming there's glass in here because it says fragile, handle with care. So, Draper to help me. This is totally unscheduled, and as I record this now, this is Saturday night. This is 20 to 10 at night. Because I haven't known, I didn't want to touch it or anything. Oh. Right, shredded paper. Lots and lots of shredded paper. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's gonna make a mess everywhere. It's 2 YAQI brushes. I haven't ordered any YAQI brushes. Fantastic packaging now with the YAQI brushes. They've really upped the game. Oh my God. It's got the coin in. This is the Freedom brush. Brush. I'm not sure what knot that is. It's either 22 or 23. Oh my God, isn't that beautiful? This is somebody who knows that I love YAQI brushes. That's a cashmere knot. I've just noticed the knot, it's cashmere. Got the coin. Oh! This is the JANUS. Is it JANUS? Is it BIFRONS? It is. It's the JANUS brush. This JANUS was I think it was a Roman. Is it two-headed god? It was a Roman two-headed god that brought or allowed gateways to new beginnings. Hence the two sides. Oh my God. Right, whoever you are, mystery sender, thank you so much. Email me, unless you still want to remain anonymous. I don't know. You got my address, whoever, unless it's somebody who sent me something before. Email me, and we'll talk. So thank you so much, whoever you are. Wow, I'm really gobsmacked, guys. Thanks for that. Thanks for your comments on the last videos. Keep your comments coming, guys. I've nearly caught up. It's just that work and family lives got in the way of things. While I'm here, the draw will be on Monday for the 1 year anniversary shave. If you haven't been over there, if you're a new subscriber, welcome, and check out my anniversary shave and enter the giveaway. I'm overwhelmed, guys. I'm almost speechless. The shave on Tuesday will be as normal, and it will start the 800 subscriber giveaway. I'm over there now, and thank you so much, all you new subscribers. Thank you. I truly appreciate it. Thank you. It's been an emotional few days and busy days. The giveaway for the 800 will run for 2 weeks, because I normally run it for 2 weeks in case people are on holiday or anything like that and their wives banned them from watching the YouTube. So that will run for 2 weeks. Thank you so much, whoever you are. Thank you. Cheers, guys. This was unplanned. I didn't plan it, and I wasn't gonna touch the parcel or anything. I've been trying to find out. The Mrs. B has been on the online banking, and everything's accounted for, and I've only got 2 parcels left to come, one from Canada and one from the States. So yeah, so thank you. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday, guys. Have a fantastic week next week, and hopefully I'll either see you on Monday or Tuesday. Take care, guys, and stay safe. Thank you, whoever you are. Bye, guys.